everyone again. I wanted to show you, if you get to the point where you're really happy with your screen, remember our poem was about a nightingale enjoying plum tree blossoms. If you want to add a nightingale to your screen, I included in your paper lesson, or the lesson on the computer, some steps to drawing a nightingale. So let's see, you could draw, maybe I want to draw my nightingale right here. And as you can see, even I have to use an eraser. So I'm going to follow the steps that you see here to draw my nightingale. If you feel like you want to draw your nightingale in a different way, that is totally fine. This is just for those of you that like to see how to do these things. And let's see. Then I want to make sure that his little leg is grabbing onto the branch. So this little hook, I'm going to have that grabbing onto the branch. And then I'm going to finish his little beak and his eye. And I'm going to add some texture to his feathers. And if you wanted to paint him brown, you could, or you could use a little marker and color in his little wings. Nightingales are often kind of this nice soft brown. And you could color in him in yellow, whatever colors you want to add. So that's something you can add to your screen if you wish. Bye everyone.